Today we're gonna do an unboxing of what comes in a Starlink box. This is a popular antenna to manage all your internet or online needs. And I'm just going to make an unboxing and show you what's inside the box. So here it is, Starlink box. Right, there you go. And let's start with the show. So basically, let's open this, right? Okay, like this. It has some instructions of how to set it up on this panel right here, and they're basically easy to use. So let's open this up. The Starlink is white. They come in different colors. It doesn't matter, works the same. But this one is nice and white. And it has this little thing right here to connect to this little thing right here to set it up somewhere. So this is what comes in here, right? It's very sturdy. This is very, I wish you could touch it, very hard plastic, corrugated here a little, right? It's a little rough, but it's really well made. Really well made. Let me put this to the side here, and then some paper, nothing important. The power supply, which is a special kind of power supply because it requires a different load of electricity. I'm gonna say, well, I wish that this could also operate on battery, but I'll put it down here if that is possible. And then the cables come, the special cables come wrapped up in this oval thing, right? So it's wrapped up in there, real nice. And it has these. This is to set it up. And it has an Allen wrench, so it comes with the tool that you're going to need to set it up. I'll figure it out and make another video of how to set it up. I think it shows it here. Yeah, because the way it works is you want to put it on a pipe like this, and this goes like this. So it goes right like this, looking upwards. Yeah, so it's looking upwards, you see? Yeah, so it's going to look upwards towards the ether. So, you know, these are gonna become very popular now, and I will make another video explaining the benefits of owning one of these. So this is all it comes in a box, I think. Let me take this other level. Yep, there's nothing else in the box. There will be another video on how to set it up.